Hello everyone. In this presentation, we will give you an overview of our product Anuta ATOM. Anuta ATOM delivers closed-loop automation across multi-vendor and multi-domain networks. It's a product that goes beyond just provisioning, helping organizations to create self-healing and smart networks. Our customers include large service providers and enterprises. Some of the publicly referenceable customers are mentioned here. Our product Atom combines the power of config management, compliance management, network automation via low-code automation and service orchestration, network monitoring, alerting, event correlation, and closed-loop automation into one integrated platform. It's a 360-degree network automation and management solution that supports both greenfield and brownfield networks. In the next few slides, we will look at the different features of Atom. The first feature is low-code or workflow automation. Anuta ATOM delivers network automation in a couple of ways. The first one being workflow or low-code automation that handles stateless use cases, and service orchestration based on Yang for stateful use cases. Let's take a look at workflow automation. With workflow automation, we help you to define the business logic. We can automate your simple and complex method of procedures. In Atom, we provide you a Visio-like framework where you can drag and drop pre-checks, get approvals from northbound portals, perform provisioning tasks, and do post-checks. Each of these steps within the workflow are audited. This could be applied to simple MOPs like configuring a network device or complex MOPs such as router upgrade. Workflow helps to improve the time to value in your networks. Configuration and compliance management. Atom offers traditional configuration management capabilities where we can archive your configurations, version them, and compare configurations. Atom also helps you to maintain these configurations to meet internal and regulatory standards with compliance management. Using compliance feature, you can define policies in Atom such that any deviation in the device or service configurations can either be alerted or Atom can perform auto reconciliation, thus helping to maintain configuration consistency across your network. We also support configuration compliance or CLI compliance, where we can define policies to ensure day zero to day end standards in configurations. You can combine multiple policies into profiles and apply it to a group of devices. We also generate audit reports that help you with the device level compliance status. Network monitoring and analytics. We collect telemetry data from your multi-vendor network from multiple data sources such as SNMP, SNMP traps, syslog, and streaming telemetry or model-driven telemetry. Atom provides real-time analytics from the data collected. We deliver a unified and single pane of glass and help you in your journey towards self-healing networks. We also offer best-in-class visualization to give you the best experience through informative and customizable dashboards. You can create or use out-of-the-box charts and templates that offer visualization around device health, interface statistics, top-end charts, historical charts, and much more. Alerting and closed-loop automation. Atom offers alerting and closed-loop automation framework where you can create alert definitions or alert rules to baseline your network behavior. You can define the KPI thresholds that matter to you. For example, you can define the threshold of BGP neighbor flaps in your network. Let us say that you do not expect more than a couple of flaps in your upstream neighbor for BGP. Say the current behavior is that it's flapping more than 2 times. The action for this could be about raising an alarm or notifying the admin. But if it flaps more than 4 times in 10 minutes, then the action could be to trigger a workflow to diagnose, notify, and take a remediation action, all with an approval. So here we have defined a framework for you to define the baseline, measure the deviations, and the remediation steps. So this is closed-loop automation. This helps to simplify the known troubleshooting techniques where we can define the baseline configuration. We have a comprehensive coverage of 45 plus different vendors and 100 plus platforms. As seen, we support all the major vendors like Cisco, Juniper, Arista, and ecosystem vendors such as ServiceNow, Jira, and IPAM devices. Any gaps found can easily be addressed within a matter of few weeks due to an extensible platform that we have. Here are a couple of case studies on how Anuta ATOM has helped customers in their automation journey. Neustar is a global DNS service provider. They are using Atom to provision a multi-tenant infrastructure, including Juniper, Arista, Citrix, and Arbor Peakflow, to handle the DDoS mitigation service they are hosting across 26 global data centers. They also use Atom to collect telemetry data from the infrastructure, and Atom provides in-depth analytics. They also integrated their self-service portal to Atom, thus enabling a single pane of glass for their multi-vendor infrastructure. So the scale and the extensibility of Atom were the highlights of this use case. Tata Communications is a leading MSP in Europe, North America, and APAC. They offer an SD-WAN solution called ISO SD-WAN, which includes traditional WAN technologies and SD-WAN capabilities. Before introducing Atom, they used to take more than an hour to provision a CPE. With Atom, this provisioning time came down to just 5 minutes. Atom was used to provision more than 15,000 such CPEs. We also helped them to introduce feedback loops, which is very similar to closed-loop automation of Atom, where Atom monitored the network activities using IP/SLA data and pushed WAN policies to ensure service assurance. To summarize, Anuta Atom can be your single source of truth and single pane of glass for all your network automation, monitoring, and alerting requirements. As you can see, we deliver a lot of use cases that a service provider and enterprises typically look for. Thanks for watching.